Hey there, are you also tired of spending hours upon hours editing your videos? I mean, who has the time or energy for that? Lucky for us, technology has come a long way, and with the advancements in AI, we can now make amazing videos with minimal efforts. One of the AI features in Filmora 12 is called auto reframe. It's perfect for those times when you're feeling indecisive about the aspect ratio of your video. With auto reframe, the AI can intelligently detect the subjects in your video and adjust the frame accordingly. So now you can say goodbye to the days of awkwardly cropping your friends out of your videos. Now speaking of social media, Filmora 12 has a built-in social media library with tons of stock footage that you can use in your videos. You know what that means, right? You don't have to go out and film a cute dog because Filmora 12 has got you covered. Another AI feature in Filmora 12 is called scene detection. It's perfect for action-packed scenes where there's a lot of movement happening. The AI can detect the different scenes in your video and adjust the effects and transitions accordingly. So whether you are making an action movie or just filming your friends doing parkour, this feature will make sure that your video looks like it was edited by Now, if you're creating a more relaxing video, Filmora 12 has got you covered there too. They have a built-in color match feature that can automatically adjust the color and lighting of your video footage to match the mood of what you're going to do. So if you're going for a serene vibe, you can use the sunset footage from the library and let the AI do the rest. Because let's face it, who has the time to manually adjust the color of every single shot? At last, if you want to add a bit of humor to your videos, Filmora 12 has a smart portrait feature that can detect faces and add silly effects like hats, glasses, and even animal ears. So now you can finally live out your dream of being a cat on the internet. Or if you're like me and don't have a cat, you can just use the feature to add bunny ears to your own face. But wait, there's more. Filmora 12 now has a brand new AI image feature. All you have to do is simply type in a description of image you want and the AI will do the rest. Want a picture of a beach with palm trees and a sunset? No problem. Just type it in and let the AI work its magic. And the only thing of problem is it have only 5 text prompt input per month. But I think this may be updated in the upcoming versions of Filmora. For that, stay tuned. And the best part, once you're done editing your video, Filmora 12 has a built-in export feature that can automatically optimize your video for different platforms. So whether you are uploading to YouTube, Instagram or any other social platform, you can be sure that your video looks at its best on every platform. Finally, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and found something new. If so, do hit the like button, share and subscribe. Until then, I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.